Hello students, now let us understand Dows process. What is Dows process? What is the condition? 6 to 8 percentage of NaOH at 300 bar pressure, 633 Kelvin. So there is an essential condition for this process. During this reaction, chlorobenzene reacts with NaOH to give sodium phenoxide ion, which reacts with dilute HCl to give phenol. That is the reaction. During Dows process, we will get a phenol. Now, see the chemical reaction. Whenever Cl is directly attached with benzene, this is known as chlorobenzene. Reacts with NaOH. You must mention the condition also. You can get the product very directly, like that. Just replace Cl minus by using this OH minus. OH minus introduce here in the place of Cl minus. In the way also you will get the product phenol. But we have to understand step by step. Let us split this NaOH. NaOH. You can split here. On hydrogen write plus, on NaO write down minus. Now combine this Cl minus with H plus, you will get HCl. And remaining this benzene part and NaO. So benzene part, NaO, ONA. So this is known as sodium phenoxide. In the next step, now write down Na plus, Cl minus. Combine these two, Na plus as well as Cl minus, you will get NaCl, and that Na plus is replaced by hydrogen, that is OH. You will get the product phenol. I hope you understand. If you like this video, kindly share it, give like also, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.